This is the following morning. Looks scary. I'm gonna have to find a barber or somebody just to give me a little shape up. All the things here need to grow back. So yeah, I'm headed to work. Not like this though, guys. We don't want to jump scare anybody, like jump scare. And my eyes look tired and whatnot. But I'm gonna put my cap on. I don't know. Y'all, do you see how I look tired? So we're gonna be rocking a hat with a silk lining for now. We still know how to follow the principles. And nobody gonna know that my locks are not under there because we do this sometimes until we get it together. So